Your attention, please.
It is Friday afternoon. The boys are off on a trip. I'm at Lochy's house now. It's his birthday, happy days. We're about to head over to International Park for the weekend. Just packing the car.
And by the way, actually, excuse me, you guys, I just need to say something. Before all three of you fucking strut down, like with me, the only one going for a serve, can we just lay off before I get the serve? Because it's going to look like I'm supposed to be.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, no shit.
See, everybody just fucking lay back before Jack gets out, then come and take your photos.
That was Lochy's older brother, YEFF.
Best coffee in the world, Port Wakefield, BP.
Also joining us on this trip would be Jack and the birthday boy himself, Lochy. Headed to Marion Boys, we're almost there. International Park with the boys, Cable Bay, getting the swags off. How do you feel, Lock?
How do I feel?
Yeah, how do you feel, mate?
Pretty keen for a beer.
Nice little fire set up here. Brooker's out in the distance over here, you can't really see him. He's getting some snaps. Got our mod. Boys setting up here. See, they've all got swags. Just wait 1 minute over here. I'm just going to show you my setup here. Hang on, I'm going to make the bed and then I'm going to show you again. Look at this. So I've just got, what I've done here, just taken the passenger seat, folded it right back, just taking the head off it. It's a real nice little sleeper. What do we think?
You're gonna have a shit sleep.
You reckon?
Yeah, you'll wake up with fucked knees.
I don't reckon I will be, Lock. The boys got in around 11:30. I set up my bed just then. I'll let you know how I feel tomorrow. Bit of a breakfast setup. A bit of a sausage situation. Bit of a Lochy Riley situation. Setup, bit of a fire action, bit of a morning beer. How do you feel? Yeah.
Dandy, mate.
Bit of a ouch. When me and Jack were in Melbourne, there was a huge storm in Adelaide, and
Oh, it was just it was a king tide. The seas were chaotic and just washed away a shitload of the sand.
Yeah.
South Australia is in the grip of a storm emergency.
Our coastline is the most dangerous place to be. Extremely strong winds up around 100 kilometres an hour.
We want people to stay away from the shore.
On the York Peninsula, the waves were just as fierce. Holiday shacks flooded at Hardwick Bay.
And all the shacks here are getting swamped.
This is what happened to Ethel's wreck. We were here a few weeks ago and I'll put some footage of what it looked like from there. Now it's nuts. Finished up a shoot with the fellas. How'd we go, boys?
Yeah, had a few beers.
Gonna go home for another bloody cheeky another shoot.
Beach.
Spaghetti.
Morning, fellas.
Morning.
Day 3.
Frothing.
Frothing. You can barely see anything by me, so I just put it on my face. The sunrise is sick. We're gonna go. It is 6:36 now. Cool. day. All packed up. Good weekend, boys.
Good weekend.
My time.
One of the
It
big
is
traditions
pie time.
of a travel is a pie time.
I thought you were vegetarian.
Yeah, I am vegetarian. Pie time. This is another public service announcement with the boys. Recently, Shapes have made a just terrible decision and changed their ingredients. The boys aren't happy about it. The boys aren't happy about it. But, like the rest of this vlog, it's very informative. Marion Bay service station has the old types of shapes. Now, they don't have barbecue. They do have pizza, they have chicken crimpy, and they have cheese and bacon. So if you're in the area, pop down, say good day to the guy with the huge gut, get some shapes. They are expensive, but they're worth it. What are our thoughts?
Very happy.
Good gear. All right, that's about it. I don't know if this is me, this just looks like the start of Lion King.